Hey everybody, welcome back to another Dollar General 5 off of 25 for this Saturday, September the 10th. You're going to want to pick up one big extra comfort mechanical pencils 5 count for $3. You're going to also want to pick up one big 10 count mechanical pencils for $2.25. If you purchase $5 worth in Bic, you will receive a $2.50 off coupon. Then you're going to want to pick up one Palmolive dish soap 40 ounce for $3, one Ajax dish soap 52 ounce for $4.25. Purchase 2 of them and you get $3.50 off too. You can either get 2 Palmolives or 2 Ajaxes or mix and match like I did. Next, you're going to want to pick up one Febreze Air Effect Ocean Scent for $4 with a $2 off coupon, and one Arm & Hammer liquid detergent 118 to 144 ounce for $10 with a $2 off coupon. Your total before coupons is $26.50. You're going to subtract the $10.90 in coupons, which brings you down to $16.50. And then you're going to take off that 5 off 25 coupon, and you're only going to be paying $11.50 plus tax for all of these items right here. That's $11.50 plus tax for these items right here on this Saturday at Dollar General. If you want to break it down a little further, it makes these items only $1.91 per item. That's $1.91 per item for all of these right here. Alright, attached you will find all the coupons that you need for the breakdown in this video. Make sure you clip that 5 off of 25 as well. Get your total of $25. Enter your number at the register and watch your total drop. I'm hoping that all of you guys can find some great savings this weekend.